Hey, how's it going? It's Tom here from Buckshot Barbecue, and today we'll be tackling that age-old mystery of making your own barbecue sauce. Now, the temptation is always there to buy stuff out of the shop, but you're never going to get the real deal. It's full of xanthium gum, preservatives, all that kind of muck, and plus, it's mad easy to make. Now, there's loads of recipes out there, and every one of them will do your head in, between chopped tomatoes and bits and pieces that you probably don't want. You want the easy, fast, go with everything option. Take a look. And here's the dream team, right? Soft brown sugar, tomato ketchup, same as both. Today I'm doing 2 cups of each because I'm making a big old batch. Then you're going to have a dash of Worcestershire sauce, a big old dash of honey depending on how much money for the honey you want. Down here, the spices are smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon, half a tablespoon of granulated garlic, and a teaspoon of celery salt. Nobody tells you about the celery salt, but it always works. In here, secret ingredient. Not so secret really, but everybody tells you to use malt vinegar. I use apple cider vinegar. Works every time, especially with pork products. Don't use malt. It's stinking. When you try the apple cider vinegar, it's all done. Here's the fun bit. Chuck them all in the pot. Let's go. Oh yeah, forgot to mention. Salt, pepper, for seasoning to your own taste. This is going to need stirring for a good 5 minutes, alright? Now, I like my barbecue sauce with a little bit of kick. You don't have to do anything to it, but it's always fun to stick a bit of chilli in there. The kind of chilli I like blows the old teeth through the back of your head stuff. Because this barbecue sauce is going to be used for ribs, why not add a porky version? I use this one, the Pig of Doom. Yep, based on the ghost chili. It will straighten your hair, so only use a couple of drops. Oh yeah, I wish you could smell this. So, stir it for 5 minutes. Now, low heat for 20 to 25 minutes, and that's it done. Put it away, freeze it, use it straight away, whatever you want to do. There you have it. There's my recipe for my barbecue sauce. All the ingredients are down below if you want to have a look. Why not leave a message in the comments section and let me know how you got on? Did you add more? Did you take away more? What did you do? But whatever you do going forward, never, ever buy barbecue sauce again.